Did you know that wild boars are smart enough to break into trash cans and even outsmart hunting dogs? These remarkable creatures are far more fascinating than you might think, and we're about to discover why. First up, wild boars can sprint at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, making them as fast as a charging bear. They're also incredible swimmers, capable of crossing rivers and even swimming between islands. Speaking of strength, these powerful animals can flip over 110-pound logs with ease using their snouts. Their intelligence is truly remarkable. Wild boars have demonstrated problem-solving abilities similar to chimpanzees, and they can even use tools to test if electric fences are active. They possess an extraordinary sense of smell, able to detect food buried up to 6 feet underground. These adaptable creatures can be found on every continent except Antarctica, making them one of the most widespread large mammals on Earth. Female boars are fierce mothers, defending their striped piglets against predators many times their size. Their tusks never stop growing throughout their lives, and they can use these weapons to fight off wolves and bears. Perhaps most surprisingly, wild boars have excellent night vision and can see nearly as well in the dark as they do in daylight. They're also highly social animals, living in groups called sounders, where they communicate using more than 20 different vocalizations.